Oh.
Just get it open.
You need an engineering degree to get it out. Oh, you got another one. I can't see that. Sit still. Look up at mommy. Oh, what a good boy you are.
There we go.
And there's another one here.
Oh my goodness. What is the deal? This is crazy.
Wow, Colbert, wow.
This is crazy, Coleman. Why do they do this? Huh? Why do they do that? Look at this thing.
Oh my gosh. It took someone a long time to wrap this up. Oh my goodness.
Have you ever seen such a thing? And there's one over here.
Those are dangerous, too.
They sure are.
Colby, say wow.
Amazing.